Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your laptop, then open QuickShare or the platform's sharing panel. Once done, make sure both devices are discoverable and signed into the correct accounts so authentication completes automatically. You do this because QuickShare uses device visibility plus your account trust to speed transfers and avoid repeated prompts. Now choose the file or folder you want to send and select the nearby device from the QuickShare list to initiate the transfer. You tap or right-click the files and pick QuickShare, selecting the recipient device. The transfer negotiation begins. While it runs, watch the progress indicator and, if offered, switch to LAN mode for faster throughput or pause if you need bandwidth. You do this because QuickShare chooses the best protocol, Wi-Fi Direct, local network, or Bluetooth, based on size and signal. Switching modes can save minutes for big transfers. Make sure to keep both devices awake until completion. You confirm the files landed where expected and open one to verify integrity. Once done, sign out of any temporary sharing sessions and disable device visibility if you don't want continued discoverability. If the transfer fails, retry after toggling Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and restarting QuickShare. This clears stale connections. You should also make sure there's enough storage and that firewall or antivirus isn't blocking local transfers. Addressing those common issues typically resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.